Hello,
Hi everyone.
welcome to a new reaction video on our channel. Today we are reacting to the new face of Jakarta city 2024. We
Well,
have
we are in
moved,
2025, so
we
I
moved
mean,
from 2024, but
yeah,
they probably haven't made the 2025 version yet.
yeah, I doubt it changed a lot.
Yeah, probably hasn't changed a
But
lot.
yeah,
So this was recommended to us by one of our beloved subscribers from Indonesia. So excited to check out.
Yeah.
We,
So far, we've loved everything we've watched on Indonesia. So
on Jakarta especially.
yeah,
I didn't know that Jakarta has developed so much in the
It's
recent
insane.
decade or couple of decades.
you know what it makes me think? The
Yeah.
evolution of Korea, how intense it is, and then they become like so big,
Yeah.
right?
So big, influential culturally.
Yeah.
And I really want Indonesia to become like that. It's a
Yeah.
beautiful country.
It's lovely.
They have some of the best beaches in the world. But yeah, let's take a look at
Yeah,
the
okay.
city now. Jakarta.
I'm more and more excited to visit Jakarta, really.
Me too, me too. I mean, we have seen this shot of Jakarta over and over again.
This is water
This
in the
looks-
middle. Oh,
yeah.
wow. It looks like Los Angeles or something, you know, with all the fountains and all. This is so
Las
cool.
Vegas, you mean?
Oh, Las Vegas. Sorry, I've never
Yeah.
been.
This is not the image I had of Indonesia.
Not at all.
Look at those buildings, you know.
Yeah, the building at the back,
Brilliant.
they're really cool.
Wow. Helipads everywhere. Look at
Wow,
those
that
buildings, I
first
mean,
building is quite
This
impressive.
is amazing.
Yeah. It's really cool. I'm
The
guessing
roads look a bit like India, the finishing and everything. Definitely they can do better with
Not
the
too bad
roads.
though,
Not
really.
bad, but yeah. Look at this
also
area.
it's really green, right?
Yeah.
Again, I feel like that's a lot of like South Asian countries
tropical.
were a bit tropical. There's this kind of style, and I love it because I feel like if you look at New York and all those big developed cities, they don't have much green left, right?
Sure.
I mean Tokyo as well.
Singapore, I guess, is also
Singapore is
green.
a bit more green. Like again, it's a bit like tropical kind of
Actually
big
like
cities.
Jakarta better than Singapore because
Keep
I
in
feel
mind,
like-
keep in mind, we've never been to
I feel like
Singapore.
Singapore is too crowded. You know, like there's just too many tall buildings everywhere.
I mean, it's really small, Singapore.
But this one is more like
Ah, this
Tokyo,
is like-
widespread.
We have those kind of screens as well in Tokyo, right?
Yeah.
The angle screen. I feel though, are we always looking at the same street?
I think we are looking at the same area.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
This must
guessing
be
this
the
is more
business
business
district.
district, right?
With the buildings they have
Wow.
here is just
Those are really big
amazing.
towers.
Amazing.
So yeah, I'm guessing those are
Citibank.
mostly like office, right?
Yeah, office commercial buildings.
Ooh.
Some of them could be like residential buildings for rich people.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, this looks
Yeah, like the ones
this looks
on the right.
highly edited, but
The ones on
pretty
the
cool.
right, they look more residential.
yeah. I like the water part as well.
Oh, you can see
This
some
looks
mountains.
almost like Tokyo with the mountains at
yeah,
the back,
at the
right?
back. Sure.
Yeah, really cool. Oh, this is nice. It's like a park, or maybe a stadium.
Football is big in
Dang,
Indonesia.
That's cool.
Looks like a football field. Multi-purpose, but yeah.
Oh,
mainly
there's
football.
many stadiums and all. I mean, that street is pretty cool.
It's really cool. The green aspect is something I love.
I love that, yeah.
I think other countries should take inspiration from Indonesia and Jakarta. This
for
is
sure.
good for the planet, and
I
the
feel
city
like
looks.
now big cities are doing the contrary. They're coming back, they're planting so that they can keep it.
Yeah.
But Like Jakarta should not should not lose that aspect. I hope they'll never get rid of all the green.
Yeah.
That would be really sad.
Oh, that's a bus stop. Did you see?
Really?
It was
This
a bus
is
stop
so
on
cool.
like a bridge.
Really?
That was really cool. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, this is a cool shot.
Wow, the night. At night it looks
Damn.
magical.
Oh, that tower
I know
with
they're
the corner
using
lights.
some
Look at the
really
size of
good
those screens.
cameras there.
Wow. Honestly, it looks almost better at night.
Yeah. Oh, the traffic though.
Yeah.
It's intense.
Looks like they have a lot of traffic jam. Yeah.
Must be the national stadium or something.
Yeah, it looks kind of major, right?
Yeah, it does.
What's that thing on the right? Maybe like tramway stop or something?
Maybe to cross over
Really
from
cool.
one side of the street to the other
The
side.
end of the video was a bit abrupt, but
Yeah.
it's like you're watching and it stops all of a sudden.
But again, Jakarta, I mean, we have been thinking about going back to Indonesia again. We've been to
Yeah.
Bali. We mentioned that a few times on our videos, and yeah, every time I watch
I
something
feel
from
like
Indonesia,
the more we watch things about Indonesia, the more we want to visit more, because
yeah,
obviously, like we said before, the only vision we have of Bali, yeah, the only vision we have of Indonesia is Bali,
yeah,
which is maybe not super representative of what Indonesian culture is. So yeah,
it's a holiday destination for people from all over the planet, including the Indonesians. So
yeah.
that's not it.
Yeah, it's a
so
bit like
have
if you
go
come to Japan and you get a vision of Okinawa first, that's not really Japanese culture. It's
Sure.
like a bit of an exception.
holiday destination.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much
Yeah.
again to our subscriber for recommending this video. Hopefully soon we can visit Jakarta
I'd love
and
that.
Indonesia or Southeast Asia. It's so close from
Mm.
Japan. We've been to Vietnam, we've been to Bali and Taiwan as well, Hong Kong. But
Yeah.
soon we want to go to another place
Yeah.
in Indonesia.
Actually, if
hopefully.
you have any other places, other cities, other than, of course, Jakarta, that you would recommend on other videos that you'd like
I want
to
to go
us
to Java
react.
as well, the Java Islands.
I've heard a lot of things. One of my friends actually visited Java, and that was the highlight of her trip.
Yeah.
She also went to Bali and all, but Java
I want to
was
visit
really
those
one of her
volcanic
favorite.
mountains as well. I think Java has plenty of that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would like to go there. Yeah.
Sounds wonderful as well.
Thank you so much for recommending this. If you have more videos for us to watch and enjoy, please
Yeah, let us know.
please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much again. Have a good day and bye bye.
Bye.